the orientation for this is important. So I just put it on like this. So I'm thinking that's down there. It should be 90 degrees as far as I can understand it. So I'm just going to push it through there. Obviously if it doesn't work I shall change it around, but I think that should be okay. It's a little bit fiddly, but I'll get it in a minute. As you can see, I got it in. See, that's how it should be. Hi everyone. So I think I finally got this working. I've been a long time with this engine. I do believe I created more problems by not building the base plate, and I think if anybody's going to do this engine, do make the base plate. So my problems, I did 3D print quite a few things. I tried to make this shaft longer, so then that became wider and it didn't work. And I tried another one, it didn't work, and that's the part of that one. So yeah, so what I did is I cut off the original of this and I stuck it onto the end of this shaft so it can come out there, because these are not 100% correctly lined up, as it were. So I did change a little bit of the design here and there just to get it going. Okay, so I had to buy 2mm screws for this engine, and I've just glued this on. I did drill the holes, but it wasn't lined up, so I had to just hold it there, try it on, and it works. So it works now. It works nicely now. I do believe this engine is a really nice engine, and I do like this piston thing here simply because it fitted nicely. Okay, you have to scrape a little bit here, and so you do it like that. So let's see it working and see it going now.